We are all aware of the downfall in the U.S. economy and the tragedy that has hit too many homes of our friends, family, and acquaintances. It all begins when we become unable to pay our mortgage on time. Maybe it's a missed payment, which leads to a late payment. Add some fees, and before long, you're making the difficult choice of what to pay first in the long line of late and overdue bills. When a bank realizes that you are probably not going to be able to continue to pay for your home, it begins the foreclosure process, which we are not going to be explaining in this video. You are going to start getting some mean letters asking for payment and informing you that your credit is going to be ruined and you will have to leave your home. You, as a homeowner, are going to explore all your options to avoid being kicked out of your home. And the one we're highlighting in this video is contacting your realtor to see about selling your home. If your home loan is more money than we can sell your home for, it's a short sale, and the bank is going to lose money, which is part of the problem of selling your home as a short sale. Okay, so we've decided to try and sell your home. Those shows on TV you've seen about increasing your home's curb appeal and simple ways to make your home more enticing to would-be buyers are not really relevant, as you do not have equity in your home and are gaining little to nothing in the sale. The listings for these homes always say that it's being sold as is and that no repairs will be made, and that's because the homeowner doesn't have any money. At this point, your home is placed on the market by your realtor, and it's priced below market value to encourage the perception of a deal and increase the odds of getting an offer, taking into consideration that you have to take the home as is. Now, this is where you come into the picture. You are a home buyer and you've been looking for a home within a certain price range, and either through your online searching, driving by, or listing alert, you find out about this wonderfully priced home in the area you've been looking in. You pick up the phone, email, or click for a home visit. At this point, you probably have limited information about the home, sometimes not even more than one picture of the house. This is usually due to the resistance of the seller to want to sell their home. Now, this is where I come into the picture. I'm your realtor, and I'm here to help with your home search and purchase process. We may be able to get a peek inside the home. Sometimes, though, the home is rented, and we can only look at the exterior of the home until our offer is accepted. For this example, we've decided to place an offer over the asking price, as we know its value is more than what they are asking for. Our offer needs a pre-qualification letter or proof of funds to demonstrate that we are serious buyers and want to purchase this home. An offer without a pre-approval letter or proof of money in the bank is discarded, as the selling parties have no assurance that you can pay for the home if the bank accepts your offer. Our offer is strong. We're giving a good-sized down payment, using a conventional loan, have good credit scores, and we really love the home and are ready to wait for the process, which can take several months. The seller agent shows our offer and other offers received to the seller and advises the seller on which offer is strongest and should be accepted. The seller's agent gets the offer paper signed. If there are any items the seller is worried about, they can ask the buyer if they would agree to some changes. Once the terms of sale are clear and all parties have agreed, it's time for a whole lot of patience on the buyer's side and a whole lot of persistence on the seller's side. As we're waiting for the bank to approve this short sale, there's nothing keeping the seller, who is losing their home, from exploring other options they have in an attempt to keep their home. They will call up lawyers. They ask the bank for a loan modification. The banks in many cases don't know you are trying to do a loan modification and a short sale at the same time. The problem here is that if the seller is not committed to selling the home, we could have just wasted a lot of time and energy by all parties to get this home sold. In this example, we're having the seller take a loan modification. The realtor is informed and will likely be upset at the loss of their time in talking with them, signing papers, taking pictures, open houses, placing it on the MLS, along with many other tasks involved in selling a home. This cascades back to me, and now I'm upset, although my time and effort was not as great as a selling agent. I'm also apprehensive about the buyer's reaction to such news. We've talked about the disadvantages and the possibility of us not getting the deal, but it's still upsetting when things don't work out for us. But the homeowner is happy to have the chance to keep his home with lower payments or principal reduction. I don't want to put the homeowner down. They have a chance to keep their home, and in their shoes, we would most likely take the same option because it keeps us in our homes. We can also look at it as a good thing, as a home sold below market value can pull the value of surrounding homes down. We keep a homeowner in their home and hope they can meet the requirements of their new home loan terms. This, of course, is just one scenario that can take place with a short sale, also called foreclosure listings. The offer from a buyer has to be accepted by the seller, but needs bank approval. The motivations and circumstances surrounding each foreclosure is different, and you must make sure you understand what it entails. If you have any questions, contact your real estate professional. If you would like to work with me, you can email me at the address provided. In case you're wondering what happens if the homeowner falls behind on payments again, it's basically this video replayed with a different ending. Thanks for watching.